Today we are here to introduce Farm Robot. The concept is farming from anywhere. See, you can see the picture over there. It actually goes and then identifies the seed, which seed to be planted, and then actually sows the seed, identifies the soil sensor. With the help of soil sensor, it identifies the soil temperature, and then it actually grows and then waters the particular plant how much ever it is required. This is the actual size of the bed. You can grow up to 30 varieties of crops at a time, and this is self-sufficient for 4 people in a family and can actually grow up to 1 year. And this particular robot can be controlled through an app from anywhere in the world.
So this is the x-axis here, and this is the y-axis, this is the z-axis. We can move the x-axis like this, we can move the y-axis over z-axis like this, and this is the z-axis. This robot particularly comes here, identifies a particular space and sows the seed where we have given the command, and it will move like this. It waters a specific plant where we have given the command, and what is the only plant which we need. These are the connections, and we connect, and it works through Raspberry Pi and the power connector, and it has a camera also here, so that we can see what is happening with our bed in the night time also. And you can grow about 300 varieties of food products like all the vegetables, fruits, and you can grow organically before your eyes. If you don't have any time to grow your own food, you can go to your offices from 9 to 6 and all. So you can grow from your offices also. You can just give a command to the robot and it will do the farming whatever you want. After completion of growing and all, it only will give you the message that your crop is ready for harvesting. Enjoy eating. Thank you.